Hey, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Soundflex channel, and there's the Redmi Note 7 Pro based on Android 11 OS. Again, there's the Thunder type Spark OS 11 version. This is the Android 11 base. As you can see, this is how the Spark OS is. This is a new stock OS type, and this is how the quick settings panel you get. Oxygen OS type. You can change it in the settings, and there's the dark theme you get. And coming to settings panel, as you can see, there's the settings panel you get in this ROM, and from here I will disable the dark mode. And coming to settings, as you can see, it's kind of like a .os type mix. And coming to speed test, this is how the speed test in this ROM. It's fine, no problem here. As you can see, I'm getting up to 93 Mbps for 100 Mbps plan. And coming to Geekbench scores, here I was surprised by seeing the score. Not surprised, it's strange, it's very less. As you can see, 374 single score and 1130 multi score. It's very less for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And coming to camera, there is a Snapdragon camera pre-installed in this ROM, but anyhow I have installed this 7.4 Gcam. I tried 8.1 Arno build Gcam, but it is not working, and hence I installed this 7.4 Arno build Gcam. And coming to Google Pay apps and the payment apps, those are also working fine, no problem in this ROM. And coming to safety net test, let me check out. Unfortunately, it get failed. You need to use Magix model to make it fast. And this is how the ROM is, and this is how the quick settings panel and the settings panel is, how it looks. And coming to this fireworks, from here you can change the themes, accent colors, icon shape, accent color picker, and clock style, switch style, dark theme. You can even schedule that, and even these are the settings you get in the theme section of this fireworks of this Spark OS for Redmi Note 7 Pro. And this is the quick settings title style. You can change it based upon your liking, and even the quick settings style. As you can see, this is how the colorful quick settings you can make it out in this ROM based upon your liking and the given presets. As you can see, the shape of the quick panel icons are also be changed. And these are the tiles you can change: Android 12 type or Oxygen 11 or accent color based or the default type. This is how the quick settings panel to be modified or customized. And quick settings panel, again there is a separate settings here. Here also you can customize the battery indicator, battery percentage, quick settings pull down, smart pull down, vibrate untouch. Those options are also given. Even the animation style, animation duration. Coming to status bar settings, here you can select the battery bar location, and this is how the settings look. And coming to this lock screen settings, you get this charging animation, style changer, and hide icons. Everything is given. Even the gesture settings are also given. Most of them are working. And power menu, this all the advanced restart button is also given in the power menu settings. This all the notification settings you get based upon colors, accent colors. You can change them in this Spark OS. The fireworks customization, this is the system navigation. You can change here the bar length and left edge, right edge, sensitivity of the gesture of the ROM. And this is the button settings you get. Navigation bar, lots of customization is given in this ROM fireworks. Here you can customize everything. And battery settings is like Coros OS, and the extreme battery saver is also given. smart charging is also given in this ROM. No problem, you can use it as a daily driver. The battery life is also very good in this ROM. The display settings and location settings, everything is working fine, nothing new, but it's working fine. Accessibility menu is also working fine in this ROM. And in the Spark updater you will get like this, but it's just a page, nothing like that. And these are the settings you get in this SparkOS Android 11 Thunder version. And from here you can take screenshot, edit and delete it from there. And you have to clear here the previous apps, I mean all the apps. This is how the dark theme it works. It's fine. The dark theme is also pitch black condition, nothing like gray or anything like that. And the coming to fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it's working fine. And this is the battery indicator you get in the top or bottom of the smartphone display. You can adjust it in the settings. Lots of customization is given. And coming to gameplay, as you can see, and settings you get here smooth plus ultra and 40 fps and HD and high. If you want that 30 fps gameplay you want, you can unlock 60 fps by using Magix model or the file transferring files. But anyhow, in the 40 fps the gameplay is very good, as you can see, but it's not a gaming ROM or anything like that. And considering the benchmark score, I don't think this ROM is good for gaming. For general users and some new customizations like quick settings panel, you can definitely try it out, this custom ROM. The link is in the description. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notifications. And if you like the video, give it a like and share the videos. And guys, only 5% of viewers are my subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, guys. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.